Whenever we're developing a new product, our goal is to make your life simpler. We have 4 chemists with over 100 years of combined experience in developing products dedicated for the carpet cleaning and the restoration industry. We tend to look into what is really happening on a molecular level in something we call a physical chemistry of how all these ingredients are interacting in solution to give us the best performance we can. We're doing a significant level of analysis to identify the best raw materials and a combination of the raw materials at the concentrations they need to have. So we can deliver for you guys the best product with the best performance at the least cost and safest that you can have. There's a lot of crude and old formulas being used by carpet cleaners today, but Legend Brands is changing this industry by thinking outside the box. Technologies that we're using today in Legend Brand products are so new that our competitors cannot understand why our products work so well.